Imagine this situation. You are at an international event, or maybe a new workplace. Someone walks up to you and smiles. They say, "Hi, nice to meet you." And suddenly, you don't know what to say next. Don't worry. Today, we will learn how to make friends in English using simple small talk.
Welcome back to Brother English. I'm Alex.
And I'm Jamie. In today's lesson, you'll learn how to introduce yourself, start a friendly conversation, ask simple questions, keep the conversation going naturally. First, let's listen to a natural conversation between two people meeting for the first time.
Hi there. I'm Alex.
Hi, Alex. Nice to meet you. I'm Jamie.
Nice to meet you too. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. I just joined the event today.
That's great. Where are you from?
I'm from Cambodia. How about you?
I'm from Australia.
Oh, that's interesting.
That conversation was simple, but very natural. Now let's break it down.
The most common way to introduce yourself is, "Hi, I'm Jamie." Simple and natural.
You can also say, "Hello, my name is Alex," or, "Nice to meet you, I'm Alex."
After introducing yourself, it's polite to say, "Nice to meet you." Now let's practice speaking together.
Hi. I'm Alex.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
Excellent. These simple sentences are used every day. Now let's learn how to continue the conversation. When meeting someone new, people often ask about hobbies. Let's listen to another conversation.
So Jamie, what do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading and listening to podcasts. How about you?
I like traveling and trying new food.
That sounds fun.
Talking about hobbies is a great way to build friendships. Here are some great small talk questions. Where are you from? What do you do? What do you like to do in your free time?
These questions are simple, friendly, and safe to ask. They help conversations feel natural.
Now it's your turn to practice.
Imagine you meet someone new. Introduce yourself. Pause the video and speak.
Now ask this question. Where are you from? Pause and answer.
Next question. What do you like to do in your free time? Pause and answer.
Great job. Now let's test what you learned. Question 1. What is a polite way to introduce yourself? A. I am Alex. B. Hi, I'm Alex. C. Alex me. Correct answer is B.
Question 2. What question can help start a friendly conversation? A. How much money do you make? B. Where are you from? C. Why are you here? Correct answer is B.
Question 3. Which question asks about hobbies? A. What do you like to do in your free time? B. What is your salary? C. How old are you? Correct answer is A. Today you learned how to start conversations and make friends in English.
You practiced introductions, small talk questions, and speaking challenges.
Remember, making friends in English is about being friendly and confident.
Remember, polite English opens doors.
Practice daily, speak confidently.
See you in the next episode of Brother English.